141 species in genus Turnera. The wonders of Turnera, a personal exploration. My fascination with the plant genus Turnera began, oddly enough, with a cup of tea. Not just any tea, mind you, but a fragrant brew known as Damiana, reputed for its aphrodisiac qualities. This piqued my curiosity, leading me down a botanical rabbit hole to discover the diverse and intriguing world of Turnera. Turnera is a genus of flowering plants belonging to the passionflower family, Passifloraceae. These plants are primarily found in the tropical and subtropical regions of the Americas, boasting over 100 distinct species. They are known for their vibrant flowers, often yellow, with delicate petals that attract a variety of pollinators. But beyond their beauty, Turnera species harbor a wealth of medicinal and cultural significance. A diverse family. The sheer variety within the Turnera genus is astounding. Some species, like Turnera diffusa, Damiana, are shrubs that thrive in arid environments. Others, such as Turnera ulmifolia, are herbaceous plants with striking yellow blossoms that resemble miniature sunflowers. This diversity is a testament to the genus's adaptability and evolutionary success. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Beyond beauty, medicinal, and cultural uses, Turnera plants have a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in the Americas. Damiana, as I mentioned earlier, is perhaps the most famous example. It has been used for centuries by indigenous communities to treat a variety of ailments, including anxiety, depression, and sexual dysfunction. But other Turnera species also hold medicinal promise. Turnera ulmifolia, for instance, has been traditionally used to treat respiratory problems and skin infections. Research is ongoing to explore the potential therapeutic benefits of various Turnera species, investigating their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Beyond their medicinal applications, Turnera plants also play a role in local cultures. In some communities, the vibrant flowers are used in ceremonies and rituals, symbolizing joy, vitality, and connection to nature. Conservation concerns. Despite their resilience and adaptability, some Turnera species face threats due to habitat loss and overharvesting. As with many plant species, the destruction of natural habitats for agriculture and development poses a significant challenge. Additionally, the increasing demand for Damiana has led to concerns about unsustainable harvesting practices. It is crucial that we prioritize the conservation of Turnera species and their ecosystems. This includes protecting their natural habitats, promoting sustainable harvesting methods, and raising awareness about the importance of these plants. A continuing journey. My exploration of the Turnera genus is far from over. I am eager to learn more about the lesser-known species, their unique properties, and their potential benefits for human health and well-being. I believe that these plants hold valuable secrets waiting to be unlocked, and I am excited to be a part of this ongoing journey of discovery. The world of Turnera is a testament to the beauty, diversity, and resilience of nature. By appreciating and protecting these plants, we not only preserve a valuable part of our natural heritage, but also open ourselves to new possibilities for healing and understanding.